Namaste. Let us understand common size income statement is also known as common size statement of profit and loss. Problem. The following are the statement of profit and loss of a company for the year ending 31/3/2019 and 31/3/2020. Prepare common size statement of profit and loss. This is the given information. Particulars. 31/3/2019 is the previous year, 31/3/2020 is the present year. Let us understand the format before that. In detail, I have explained in the previous videos. Please see that video and understand. Here just glance explanation I am giving here. Revenue from operation, other incomes. If you add this word, total revenue A. Less expenses. These are the expenses. You have to add all the expenses, will give you total expenses as B. Profit before tax, C. That is total revenue minus total expenses will give you profit before tax. Less tax expenses, that is D. From profit before tax, you have to minus tax expenses will give you profit after tax. That is nothing but C minus D will give you profit after tax. Solution. Common size statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31/3/2019 and 31/3/2020. This carries 1 mark. Particulars. 31/3/2019 rupees and percentage. 31/3/2020 rupees percentage. This information is given in the question itself. This is also given in the question itself. We have to calculate only percentage. Revenue from operation 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Revenue from operation 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Remember always, revenue from operation is the base year. So always base year is 100% and 100%. It always remains 100% and 100%. Next. Other incomes 2 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 25,000. Other incomes 2 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 25,000. 2 lakh 50,000 divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is 12.50%. 3 lakh 25,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100 is 13%. Total revenue A. Revenue from operation plus other incomes will give you total revenue. 20 lakhs plus 2 lakh 50,000 is 22 lakhs 50,000. 25 lakhs plus 3 lakh 25,000 is 28 lakhs 25,000. Now 22 lakhs 50,000 divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is 112.50%. 28 lakhs 25,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100 is 113%. Expenses. Employee benefit expenses 4 lakh 50,000, 8 lakh 25,000. Employee benefit expenses 4 lakh 50,000, 8 lakh 25,000. 4 lakh 50,000 divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is 22.50%. 8 lakh 25,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100 is 33%. Next. Other expenses 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Other expenses 1 lakh, 2 lakh. 1 lakh divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is 5%. 2 lakh divided by 25 lakhs into 100 is 8%. Total expenses. Add this employee benefit expenses plus other expenses will give you total expenses. 4 lakh 50,000 plus 1 lakh is 5 lakh 50,000. 8 lakh 25,000 plus 2 lakh is 10 lakh 25,000. Now 5 lakh 50,000 divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is 27.50. 10 lakh 25,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100 is 41%. Next, profit before tax A minus B, that is total revenue minus total expenses will give you profit before tax. 22 lakhs 50,000 minus 5 lakh 50,000 will give you 17 lakhs. Here also 28 lakhs 25,000 minus 10 lakhs 25,000 will give you 18 lakhs. Now 17 lakhs divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is 85%. 25, here see here 28 lakhs 25,000 minus 10 lakh 25,000 is 18 lakhs. 17 lakhs divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is 85%. 18 lakhs divided by 25 lakhs into 100 is 72%. Next, Less income tax 3,40,000, 5,40,000. Here directly they have given amount. In some cases they might given percentage. Less income tax 3,40,000, 5,40,000. 3,40,000 divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is 17%. 5,40,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100 is 21.60%. Next, profit after tax, that is profit before tax minus income tax will give you profit after tax. 17 lakhs minus 3,40,000 will give you 13,60,000. 18 lakhs minus 5,40,000 will give you 12,60,000. 13,60,000 divided by 20 lakhs into 100 is 68%. 12,60,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100 is 50.40%. Now see here, remember always one thing. This is your base year. Okay, all the headings you have to divide with 20 lakhs. Here also same way, all the particulars you have to divide with the 25 lakhs. That's all. Thank you for watching Learner's Tutor. Please like, share and subscribe.